Before I tackle this lighting problem, there's one thing I do want to fix, which is my sound. This is a test to hopefully remove noise from my sound. I could do a video of me talking to mic or recording random stuff, but since I'm into filmmaking, when I do a very short film, I'll be using the ALS digital voice recorder, which is about $35. And since this comes with a lavalier mic, I'll be testing this with voiceover. As for the sound in the film, I'll be using my Takstar SGC 598 recording mic, which is about $30, which will also be using my ALS recorder. So let's see if I can improve my sound. A playground. A place where kids can come and play and have fun. Every summer, this playground receives less kids because of summer vacation. However, once in a while, it gets a visitor, leaving its footsteps. And as they walk, they start to remember their childhood. Memories they had here. But that's once in a while. When the playground feels alone, it knows that there will always be life around it. I didn't really focus on the story that much, mostly because this was a test just for my sound. So hopefully my sound will improve, not just in this video, but in other videos I do, in other films I make.